Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can install Facebook application on your Android phone. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, put likes under the video, also write your comments, and let's get started. So friends, first of all you will need to find an app on your Android called Play Store. You can easily find this app as it is installed by default on absolutely all Android devices. So, open Play Store. Next, friends, in the search box at the top, you will need to type the word Facebook. After which you will need to open this app. And where I have Update Now, you will have the word Install. You click on Install. Next, you will need to wait for some time for this application to install. It's going to be exactly the same as I have it updating right now. It'll have a percentage like this, and there will be a scale like this, which will close. When it closes, it will mean that the Facebook app is installed. And you'll be able to easily open it either from this app, right after you download it, or once the app is installed, you can find it on the desktop of your Android. This is the simple method you will be able to install Facebook app on your Android. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.